Hi, I'm Mike, and I work for Action Overhead Garage Door. You're waiting for your garage door, and installation day is coming up. Now is the time to prepare your garage, and these are the steps you need to take. First, pull your vehicles out of the garage and driveway so the installers can park their truck and have easy access to supplies and equipment. Next, you'll want to make sure that your garage is clean side to side and 15 feet back. The installers need space to remove the old door and prep the new door for installation inside your garage. If you're having a new opener installed, be sure to have grounded outlets within 3 feet from the opener. Make sure all vehicles that need programming are home and the Wi-Fi password is readily available so you can connect your new opener to your phone. Taking some time now to prep your garage door will ensure the installation will go quickly and smoothly. Thank you for preparing your garage door. We'll see you soon.